Magnetic tool bracelet for men. The perfect accessory for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, or anyone who needs quick access to small metal tools. With powerful magnets, this bracelet securely holds screws, nails, and bits, keeping them right at your fingertips. Its adjustable, comfortable fit ensures it stays in place throughout the day, and the durable design guarantees long-lasting use. Whether you're working on a project at home or in the garage, this tool bracelet. SwitchBot. The SwitchBot Universal Remote is a smart and versatile device designed to control all your home electronics with ease. It allows you to manage TVs, air conditioners, and other IR-based devices through a single, compact remote. With customizable settings and compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and other smart home systems, this remote lets you control your devices with voice commands or via the SwitchBot app. Whether you're automating your home or simplifying device control, the SwitchBot Universal Remote offers convenience and smart functionality in one. Camillus Carnivore X18. The Camillus Carnivore X 18-inch machete is a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. With an 18-inch titanium-bonded blade, it is ideal for cutting, chopping, sawing, and other tough tasks in the wilderness. The machete also features a built-in saw and a sharp tip for piercing, making it perfect for camping, hunting, or clearing brush. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, providing comfort during extended use. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or working on tough projects, the Camillus Carnivore X is built to handle it all. Govee RGB floor lamp. Transform your space with the Govee standing curtain lights, an innovative way to create an immersive ambiance. These dynamic lights offer millions of colors and adjustable brightness, perfect for enhancing any room. With a smart app that allows you to control the lights remotely, you can easily customize settings to match your mood or occasion. Whether it's for a movie night, party, or relaxing atmosphere, these lights are designed to bring your environment to life. Easy to install and designed for long-lasting performance. Darkrock D240. The Darkrock liquid radiator is a powerful liquid cooling solution designed to keep your PC cool even during the most demanding tasks. With its large radiator and customizable addressable RGB lighting, it not only optimizes performance but also adds a stunning visual element to your setup. The RGB lighting can be synchronized with other components, creating a cohesive and immersive look. Compatible with a wide range of CPUs, this cooler is the perfect choice for gamers and professionals looking to boost both performance and style in their systems. Laptop Screen Extender. The 235-degree rotation portable screen extender is a compact and versatile accessory designed to boost your productivity. It offers 235-degree rotation, allowing you to easily adjust the viewing angle for work, gaming, or media. Its detachable design makes it highly portable, ideal for professionals or students on the go. Compatible with a variety of devices, this screen extender adds convenience and efficiency, helping you stay productive wherever you are. NewWave Countertop Convection Oven. Revolutionize your cooking with this versatile and energy-efficient countertop oven. Featuring advanced convection technology, it cooks your favorite meals faster and more evenly while retaining flavor and moisture. With multiple cooking modes including bake, broil, roast, and air fry, this oven is perfect for preparing everything from crispy fries to juicy roasts. Its compact design saves space, and the easy-to-use controls make it ideal for any kitchen. Zhihoo 3-in-1 Charging Station, the ultimate solution to simplify your charging experience. This sleek and compact charging cube supports fast wireless charging for your smartphone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once. Featuring advanced Qi technology, it ensures safe and efficient charging without the clutter of multiple cables. Perfect for your home, office, or travel, this charging station combines functionality and style to keep your devices charged effortlessly. Anchorwork S600. Redefine your virtual meetings with crystal-clear sound and smart noise-canceling technology. Designed for professionals, this speakerphone features a 360-degree microphone array and adjustable voice pickup, ensuring everyone is heard with precision. The compact portable design fits seamlessly into any workspace, while its easy Bluetooth connectivity supports both laptops and mobile devices. Perfect for remote work, conference calls, or team collaborations, the AnkerWorks speakerphone makes every conversation effortless and productive. Elevate your communication game today. Soccer Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The versatile, compact, and powerful handheld cordless vacuum is the perfect solution for cleaning every corner. With a brushless motor and 12,000 PA suction power, this product easily removes dirt from keyboards, car seats, and hard-to-reach crevices. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter and a convenient Type-C charging port, this vacuum is not only powerful, but also durable. Its flexible design with multiple attachments makes the Seeker Mini Vacuum Cleaner an essential tool for your car, office, and home. Click on the description below the video to get the product link. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to receive more exciting product recommendations. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping!